How am I a child?
Oh,
Go on.
it's video camera.
No, it's not. It's a picture.
Oh my god, are you doing video?
It's going on YouTube, by the way.
Oh, fantastic. Wait, let's do one of those lyrics.
The what?
I don't know the words to the song.
What song?
Do with my hair back and forth.
Oh,
He knows
okay.
that one.
Oh my god, you do that, I will destroy you.
Let's sing this song then.
I don't
Okay,
know
how about this one? Oh, this
Shut
one.
up.
Oh, wait, never mind.
What's wrong, Sarah? Hey, why don't you sing this one? Here, let me turn it down for you. Ready? Okay, Sarah.
No, not me.
Are you sure you don't want to sing for Matt?
No,
Do you want to hear it?
this
Do
song.
you want to hear it, Matt?
Sarah singing or with my hair. Either one sounds like they'd be terrible. And
Sarah.
I did not mean that at all, sweetie pie. I love you.
Do you think he deserves it, Sarah?
I'll fake slap you.
Sarah, do you think he deserves it?
Deserves what? Yes.
Oh my god, wait.
Yes,
wait.
put him his head on it.
No.
All right, do you want to do this song? This song?
Don't do it.
Okay, so very cool it is.
Oh
Yeah.
god, no.
Yeah, go and whip your hair.
Alright.
You had to show me that
Sarah, do you know this part?
I think you got that.
9-year-old girl do that.
Why would you do
Yeah.
that?
Sarah, you just missed
Okay,
it.
show me go this way.
Yeah. Sarah, sing this part.
Shake it off. Shake it off. I can't do it, not now.
Yeah, you always do it. Sarah, be careful.
I'll do it. Oh, good. Hold on.
And this is the adventures of Sarah and randomness. Cause yeah, because apparently I am with insane people. That is not good for my health.
What's that part?
No, park in a parking
Are we
spot.
gonna go very cool or where?
Yeah, Sarah, that's why we're here.
Oh, okay.
Sarah, forgot where we were. Say bye, Sarah.